play remote control.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Show about TV. We've done one of these versions.
Yeah, we did it. We did one during our
The MTV spoof.
yeah.
The MTV 30th anniversary. We did one.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna pick that dude. Oh wait, what? No? Okay, I keep jumping to the TV. Says no. I want to stay on that one. No, I want a cool dude. Okay, so I'll take him. Oh, facial expressions. Okay, let's start. Wait, so what about player 2?
I guess it's a one-player game.
It can't be a one-player game. Wait, you probably were able to select. Let me reset.
Yeah,
Let me reset that.
Maybe,
okay.
Maybe I just had to hit
that was
start.
a start. Yeah. Okay, let's do this together then. Okay, I'll be the blue one and I'll pick that dude. Nothing's working.
None. Here, go over to.
Oh wait, I got it. Wait, no. That's. Okay, so what? Oh, I get it. You have to physically pick for the other person, so.
Okay. Give me the guy with the shades.
Shades guy. Is that that one?
I think that's a guy.
I don't know if that's a guy. Well, I don't know. Those are girls. Yeah, so I think that's a guy. Yeah, so that's got to be a guy.
That's got to be a guy.
Okay, so.
No, because it says computer player now. Now hit start. Maybe that.
Select. So, yeah. And then the third one will be computer player. So now let's see if that works. Okay.
Well, let's hope, right?
Yeah. So I think both of them might be on the same controller, or okay, choose a category. Well, we'll try it because it's not like a. Let's see. Let me check channel 5. MASH. All right. Let's see what we got. Sparky and Dusty like to talk to him over the radio, and Chop Suey makes him break out in a rash. Name this 5'5" corporal. That's Radar. We got it's B to buzz in, or A to buzz in, B to answer. Okay, so you're in control. Let's go around and select 2. Video high. Alright, let's see. On Head of the Class. I never saw that show. Honor student Jawala Ralal came from the East with a head full of information. What country is he originally from? Okay, so yours is working. Of course, it would be from India, from a name like Jawala Halawala.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you got the board to select the channel.
Let's go with 8.
8. Still more MTV. We didn't get to regular MTV. Rockstar Bryan Adams comes from what snowy country? I know what this one is. Canada. He's Canadian, eh?
We're leaving the other guy in the dust.
Oh, I know. I like 8. Let's stick with still more MTV. So there's got to be another MTV channel up there. What trio of ugly blokes from Canada had hits with that's Rush. I already know this one. Rush. Thank you. Martha and the Muffins? No. Let's close out MTV. Alright. What British pop weirdo is on the rise with a record called Globe of Frogs? It's not Sinead O'Connor.
I was taking a wild guess.
I'll have to say Kate Bush. No, it's Robin Hitchcock. I never listened to Robin Hitchcock. Come on, computer. You're slacking.
Oh my god, they actually got on the board.
Yeah. Hey, wait a minute, he's kicking your tail and he's 5 points away from me. Bewitched channel. Alright, let's see what we got. Name the actress who played Orson Welles' mother in Citizen Kane and Samantha Stevens' mom in Bewitched. That's Miss Moorhead.
You probably shouldn't say things out loud.
I know, I'm just force of habit. I had to beat the computer to it. I did not want the computer to win. Okay, so we got 25, 5, 15. Okay, let's make it fair. Let's go to 6. Tyler Moore Show. I never watched Mary Tyler Moore. How many times was Mary Richards married before moving to Minneapolis? None, twice, or once?
I believe it was twice. Nope, I guess.
I will say once. It was none.
Wow.
Okay, computer, take it away.
We left it wide open for you.
And in case you're wondering, this is not smoke I'm blowing, it's water vapor. Okay, Mike, choose a category. Great choice, MASH. Which MASH character almost lost his hearing during the final 2.5-hour episode? Was it Klinger, Mulcahy, or O'Reilly?
Nope, it wasn't Klinger.
It must have been Father Mulcahy. Father. Yeah, Father Mulcahy.
Wasn't Klinger the guy at the radio?
No, that was Radar.
Oh.
Radar was always at the radio. Okay, I'm gonna choose channel 3. Beat the Bishop! Okay. And it's time once again for the Pope's favorite game show, Beat the Bishop. Just complete a simple math problem before our prancing parade sprints. Whatever. This is your lucky day. All you need to do is multiply 11 times 11 times 11. 11 times 11 is 22 times 11 is 121. No, it isn't. 1331.
It was the fourth. It was the third
Oh, the third one?
Mm-hmm.
I hate math. Oh, that was only for me. Okay. I'll choose channel 1. 6 feet under. Once the stars were on top of the world, now they're 6 feet under it. Name the mustached comic who made movies with his brothers and had the same last name as the author of the Communist Manifesto. Of course. You buzzed in for me.
That one I do know.
I knew that one too, but you buzzed in before me.
I love brown trim art.
I do too. Animal Crackers was an awesome movie.
Okay. Oh.
More prime time. We didn't see the regular prime time. Which Kate and Allie star was a not ready for prime time player on Saturday Night Live? Oh. No, not that one. Yeah, it's Jane Curtin.
I took a wild guess because he went all the way down to the bottom.
I went all the way to the bottom because that's where the answer was, and it just jumped me back to the top for some reason. I hate these controls. These controls suck.
Yeah.
In 1987, what extraterrestrial TV character dreamed he was a castaway on Gilligan's Island? That's easy. I know that one. Come on, Buzz!
No.
No, it wasn't my favorite Martian, it was Alf. See, now it buzzed in when I didn't even hit the button. What the heck? These controls are possessed. Okay. Thank you. Okay, now, let's go with something we haven't selected. 9. Gilligan's Island, of course.
Talking about.
Alright, who directed the Castaway stage performance of Cleopatra? Millionaire, the Professor, or the movie star? Well, of course, it had to be.
No? The historical.
No, the
Really?
Millionaire. The Millionaire did.
Wow. And who watched the
So it's
performance?
A to buzz in, or it's A to buzz in, or B to buzz in?
I have it hands on my.
A to buzz in. Okay. Snack break time. Okay, this is the time where food falls out of the sky and you can catch it, but it's just wrapped up balls of paper. Or it could be snowballs.
Or popcorn.
Or popcorn balls.
We're going for a quick commercial break.
Or basically the logo.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's start round 2. Remember, all point values are doubled now. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Alright. So 10, 15, and 20. MTV. There's the other MTV network. Okay. One original member of Led Zeppelin is dead. Name him. Oh, I know that one. Okay. John Bonham. Thank you. It worked for me this time.
Be slow, I think, is the key in this one.
Yeah, be very careful. Because once you buzzed in, you already got the floor. I'm going to go with 9.
MTV again.
Help Robbie Neville out by translating the title of his C'est la vie into English? Well, that's easy. That's life. C'est la vie. Close out MTV. Alright, let's see. Jerry Lee Lewis has a preacher cousin who was in a Great Ball O Media fire. Name this sinning TV evangelist. Jimmy Swaggart.
Yeah.
You saw that one in the movie Great Balls of Fire. Okay, let's go to 5. Home shopping zone. I lose 10 points, but I walk away with this amazing product.
Well, what do you get this time? A nerd.
No, he's the answer.
No.
Finicky vegetarians coming to dinner? Why not trick them by bleaching away telltale flavor and color from beef, lamb, or pork with tofu tonight? Carnivores love it too. Just pour it on and chow down, and it's all yours for a few beefy points. You can take your tofu and stuff it.
You don't like tofurkey.
Yeah, I don't want tofurkey. I want turkey, not tofurkey. Alright, well, give me 2. Hogan's Heroes. Right, I know nothing. On Hogan's Heroes, what country was Newkirk from? I'm gonna say England. Yeah, good guess.
You were right. I was thinking Australia myself.
Yeah, I'll donate my brain to science another day. Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get away from that category. Go to 3. Flab TV.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Pound for pound, these are some of the biggest stars in Hollywood. And it shows. Okay, he's Burt Reynolds' pal, he's the spokesman for Ziploc bags, and he's as flabby as they get. Name him. Don DeLuise.
Yeah.
Of course. He was in Smokey and the Bandit, he was in Cannonball Run. Lots of those movies. Okay. Sticking with the fat people. Give me more fat. What corpulent critic wrote a sleazy B movie but makes his bread and butter reviewing films with some bald guy? Well, that's easy. Oh, he's got that one. Roger Ebert.
Ah, finally! I was able to get in, and I'm 10 points ahead of him now, so...
Channel number 5. Once they had to look beautiful, now they have to memorize all those big words. These are models turned actors.
Okay.
Name the tall, exotic actress who stalked James Bond in View to a Kill. Oh. That's it, yep. Grace Jones.
Oof. And I was thinking a wild guess there.
I already knew the answer. View to a Kill, that was an awesome movie. Kitty TV, oh great.
Okay, this one I should be able to do a little bit easier.
Where can you find wooden puppets, wooden jokes, and wooden people all at the same time? Why, on Kitty TV, of course. On Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood, oh boy. In what special magical neighborhood will you find characters like King Friday, Daniel Tiger, and Prince Tuesday? That's easy. Come on. I kept hitting the button and you buzzed in anyway. How the
I only did it once.
I kept hitting it like this. He cheated. He took it from me. He stole my thunder. Kitty TV. Okay, here we go.
Look who's talking. Someone that's...
True, yeah. Like I have room to talk.
Okay, on Sesame Street.
What character wears a monocle on his left eye, dresses like Dracula, and works with numbers? Oh. No, not Colonel Clink. The Count, you dummy. Damn controller. Do it slowly. Yeah, I know. I forgot the rule of thumb. Do it slow.
Do it slow.
I get excited when I see an answer I know. You know, that's the thing. Yeah, close out Kitty TV. 'Cause I know you want to. I know you want to. There we go. Kitty TV. On what Saturday morning show will you find dinosaurs playing tennis in a mouse hole and a cow wearing pearls in the afternoon? That's an easy one. Pee-wee's Playhouse. I used to watch that show every Saturday.
Yeah, same here. Which was scary to begin with.
Really, he was in.
Well, at the time,
Go to
yeah.
Channel 7. Elvis channel,
Oh.
thank you very much.
Well, here's one I'm not
Elvis.
going to get.
Elvis.
According to the
Elvis catalog. Which is more valuable? Teddy bear, perfume, hound dog orange lipstick, or an Elvis pocket watch? Of course. Elvis pocket watch.
Duh.
No! It isn't.
It's like, nope.
It's hound dog lipstick.
Wow.
Hound dog lipstick? Really? I was gonna say, you better not forget what we said before.
Yeah, really.
Look at it, it looks like I just ate a sour lemon. Okay, the Elvis channel again. Okay. In what country was Private Presley stationed when he met his future bride, Priscilla? I believe that was Germany.
You would
was
be
Germany.
right.
It was
Apparently.
Germany, man. There's a lot of germs over in Germany, you know what I mean? I think you do.
Okay.
Alright, close out Elvis.
What's the
King's middle name? Aaron.
I think anyone would figure that out except for Sonic.
Elvis Aaron Presley. Alright, let's see. Let's go to channel 1. The Brady Network. Alright. Now we're talking. Which Brady kid once decided he needed a new personality and started acting like Humphrey Bogarts? That would be Peter.
I was about to say, wasn't that Peter?
That was Peter. Gee, that's swell. Pork chops and applesauce. That's swell. Okay, channel 1 for the Bradys. Oh, off the air. Oh, we don't get to answer that question because it's end of round 2. Bye-bye, computer. Bye. Oh, see, that gets struck by lightning in this one. In the original version, the chair just gets sucked back.
Yeah, I remember that. Good riddance.
Yeah, good riddance. You just got
Finally.
struck by lightning. Think real fast. All right, this is going to be fun. TV character, you name their profession.
Okay.
Alright, so there's the professions. Mine is on the right. Okay, Grace Van Owen. Lawyer. Okay, David Addison. Oh, you got it. Mary Richards. Felix Unger was photographer, yeah. Barney Fife, he was a cop. No. Deputy. Elise Keaton, she was architect. Chris Cagney, he was a cop.
And
Out of time.
I think you got it. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I got this one beat. 265 against 75. Yeah, I think I know a lot about old TV and movie trivia and music. Of course, I nail it on music, but you got the math one.
Yeah.
See, now, this is the true meaning of couch potato. Oh, look, and I'm part of the logo now. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
My dorky face is now a part of the MTV logo. I feel special. Wow. And that's remote control.